Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rosita Sari and you can call me Sita. My name number is 30. So, test 1. Question. Describe a teacher who was important to you and why he or she was important. My answer is, one teacher who was really important to me was my English teacher in senior high school, Miss Nani. She always made the class interesting through the way they spoke, using songs and talking about real-life topics. What made her special was her belief in every student, even those who really shy or not confident. I used to be afraid of speaking in English, but she always encouraged me to try. Because of her, I became more confident to learn English seriously. I always remember he asked the teacher who helped me find my own voice. Task 2. Question. The female student expressed her opinion about why she disagreed with the university new policy, said her opinion and explained the reason she gave for holding that opinion. My answer is the female student disagreed with the university decision to stop the free bus service. She thinks it's not fair for students who live far from campus because public transportation is not always convenient or safe. She also mentioned that sometimes students have to stay late for class over group project, and using public transportation at night can be difficult. Finally, she says that even though the university gave the $50 pass, it still doesn't cover all the transportation cost. So she believed the old pass system was more comfortable and helpful for students. Task 3. Question. Using example from the talk, explain how pictographs changed to become modern writing. My answer. The passage explained that pictographs were simple pictures used to represent objects or ideas. Over time, they became more abstract and started to represent sounds instead of just things. In the lecture, the professor gave example of how ancient people simplified drawing so they could write faster. For example, instead of drawing a full picture of a tree, they made a simple symbol that represented the sound of the word tree. This shows how people create alphabet and other modern writing system. So, pictograph developed from pictures to symbols that represent language. Task 4. Question. Using the example from the lecture, explain the paradox of technology. My answer is, the professor explained that the paradox of technology means technology can help use but also create new problems. For example, computer and phones make a communication faster and easier, but they can also make a people spend less time talking face to face. Another example is how machines make work faster, but sometimes they replace human workers. So even though technology brings comfort and progress, it also creates challenges that society needs to manage carefully. So that's all for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.